Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to send your NGL message. Here, welcome to this video. We are diving into the NGL app and to show you how to send girls. First, open your app and device screen. Your notice to section named play and unbox. We are currently the play section tab or unbox switch. The section right here can see all NGL message, and you have received uncover sender identify and send button proceed, and unlock will be prompted to start adding payment method and credit card or debit card, and will be charged amount either monthly, yearly, depending your preference, and you have become a pro user and you will get access send angel message with angel application. Then you have it equipped with knowledge build mystery behind angel message you found. I hope this video helpful for you. Then like, share this video, subscribe to my channel guys, and thanks again for watching this video guys. Don't skip, like, share this video and share this video our friend. Thanks again for watching.